The onset of 2020 was about to change the New Year's resolution of millions around the globe. As the coronavirus pandemic struck India, its financial capital, Mumbai, was severely affected as a number of positive COVID-19 cases were identified here. Dharavi, a densely populated slum area in Mumbai, with around 10 lakh people squeezed in an area spanning 2.5 square kilometers, was at the time highly vulnerable to the spread of COVID-19. Assessing this situation and to prepare our city for what was about to come, Shri Uddhav Thackeray, our Honorable Chief Minister, instructed an action plan with MMRDA.
It was on 26th of April that in the evening, Honorable Chief Minister called me and directed to construct a dedicated COVID health center of at least 1,000 beds.
A team was formed for this uphill task. In the first week of May, the team started their work on the proposed site. Efforts of 120 employees and 350 workers deployed by MMRDA bore fruits as the hospital was completed in record time of 14 days. On 18th May, after completion, the hospital was handed over to Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai. The fully functioning hospital has 1,059 beds, out of which 500 have oxygen support, 517 non-oxygen beds, 17 triage beds, and 24 for medical staff and workers. Connecting 18 wards with oxygen pipes was one of the biggest challenges faced by MMRDA. But finally, they did an impressive work. A dedicated entrance is created for the patients, where there are multiple counters for registration to save time. Allocation of dedicated rooms and cabins for doctors and nurses for their safety. The state-of-the-art facility also had expansion capabilities. Thus, on June 17, 2020, a second healthcare center was handed over to Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai. The second healthcare center laid emphasis on treatment of critical patients and featured 108 ICU beds. Altogether, the center has 1,059 beds, out of which 392 have oxygen support, 406 non-oxygen beds, 12 dialysis, 11 triage beds, and 130 for medical staff and workers.
When we started construction of phase 1 of COVID facility, it was a lockdown. It was very, very challenging, as at the same time migration, the great migration had started happening and laborers were leaving Mumbai due to fear of pandemic. During the construction of this phase, Honorable Chief Minister visited twice. Our chairman, Sri Eknath Shinde ji, visited 3-4 times. Then Home Minister also came, Shri Anil Deshmukh ji. Honorable Sharad Pawar ji came. With him, Shri Rajesh Tope ji also, Health Minister also accompanying him. They came. The Deputy Chief Minister, Honorable Shri Ajit Dada Pawar ji, Shri Aditya Thackeray, Balasaheb Thorat ji was present during the handing over ceremony of phase 1. I would like to thank the then Chief Secretary Shri Ajay Mehta. So I would like to thank everyone from the bottom of my heart for their support, for their appreciation, and for the cause of humanity.